James Charles. At the young age of 21, James Charles has accomplished more than most people could in multiple lifetimes. Besides shaking the beauty industry and preconceptions about what a beauty influencer can look like to their core, James has created one of the most massive, influential makeup empires the world over. In late 2020, James's new sister merch line was shared on social media by the likes of Kim Kardashian herself, just to give you an idea of how big a deal this guy really is. Add his nearly 22 million subscribers on top of all that, and it's not hard to understand that James is pulling in some big sister bucks. So a purchase like the $7 million, 10,000 square foot mansion he moved into in 2020 really doesn't seem like too big a splurge for someone of James's caliber. So while estimates rank his current net worth at somewhere around $12 million, I'd venture to say that's extremely low. With 4 million average daily views, his YouTube channel alone is generating at least $7 million annually. And that's not including all his major sponsorships, brand partnerships, and successful makeup and merch lines. Having done so much in such a short time, the sisters are all eager to see where James's ever-growing success will take him next. Unspeakable. Unspeakable is a Texan-born YouTuber who at the young age of 22 has already accomplished more than most people could ever dream of. With a respectable 8.5 million subscribers on his main channel, Unspeakable, also known as Nathan, gets to make a living uploading playthroughs of his favorite games with his friends who, together with him, make up the collectives, Proper Productions, and The Squad. And with his rapid rise to fame, of course, also came the rapid rise to wealth that one expects from young YouTube royalty. With 5 different channels, each associated with a different aspect of the Unspeakable YouTube empire, such as merch, toys, and of course, Let's Plays, Nathan's generating a healthy amount of revenue for himself and the squad. But just how much does a channel like his main one alone pull in? Well, just looking on the lower end, it's safe to say that the main Unspeakable channel makes well over $13 million every single year, or more than $1 million a month. Add on to that his merch lines, sponsorships, and all his other ventures, and you could almost say Nathan's true net worth is pretty unspeakable. Sniperwolf. One of the most versatile YouTubers on the platform, sssniperwolf's channel has managed to survive through years of massive shifts in content. From gaming videos to reactions and vlogs, Sniperwolf has become the queen of almost every niche found on all of YouTube. With such a long-lasting career and her ever-present videos on so many topics attracting such a wide, varied audience, Leah is as of late 2020 the most subscribed female YouTuber in the world, with 22 million subscribers at the time of recording. With a title like that along with her Kids' Choice Award for Favorite Gaming YouTuber, Leah's sure to be pulling in the big bucks, and we're here to confirm that aside from her obvious sponsorship deals and merch lines that likely make up a large part of her income, the Sniperwolf channel definitely makes a mind-blowing amount of money. With her average 15 million daily views, Leah's channel makes at least $27 million annually. That's enough to buy a James Charles mansion every 3 months, or enough to buy 2 Tesla Model 3s every single week. I guess looking surprised in every thumbnail really pays off.